Hey, beautiful people, I'm Rickita, and this is Credit 101, and this is episode 20. In this episode, I want to talk to you guys about Fannie Mae. If you guys don't know, Fannie Mae and Fannie Mac. So, we're going to talk about both of those. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know down in the comments. Now, if you guys don't know, Fannie Mac, they're a large government controlled company that buys a large percentages of mortgages. Please excuse that typo with large, but they buy a lot of mortgages, you guys. So that's what they do. If you guys don't know, that's who a lot of, like, if you go get a mortgage, they're going to most likely sell it to. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. So to sell your mortgage to Fannie Mac, they must meet certain guidelines. So Fannie Mac, they have certain guidelines that you guys have to make sure that you meet. So one of them is that they require that their lenders use a FICO score. So they have to use a classic FICO score to measure your credit. Now, each bureau have their own thing. So this is the one that Equifax uses. They use the Beacon. And then also Experian use their Fair Isaac risk model. And then also TransUnion, they're using a FICO risk model. So each one, they have their own bureau that they're using. So they put requirements on there. Hey, for you to sell it to us, you have to make sure you pull this report. So keep that in mind, you guys. And also in 2022, as of then, it requires you to have at least a 620 credit score, okay? And that's for fixed rate mortgages, and then a 640 for adjustable rate mortgages. Now, how everything is going right now, when it comes down to interest rates and all the fixed rates, adjustable rates, make sure you guys talk to a mortgage lender. If you guys need any suggestions on that, definitely call me 833 Rickita. I can help you with that. Find you a good lender that can help you get approved. But this, you guys, think of this as like a conventional loan. You need to have a 620 credit score, okay? And then lenders could ask you for more. This is just the basic requirements. If they meet all these different things, and they can sell it to them. So that's the basic requirements. Let's go ahead and talk about FHA, because when it comes down to mortgages, we need to know about the score. That's what we care about. We don't really get into the real estate portion of it. We want to talk about the credit. The biggest thing is for you guys, they're going to pull your FICO score. You need to make sure you have a 620. Now let's talk about FHA and what they require.